I've been with the company for 7 years and I can't wait for another 7 more. Taking care of a person's car is probably one of the most rewarding feelings in the world. Like, just to see the smile on that person's face, that's what Firestone's about. We want to treat you like family and keep you happy.
I love an exciting job, and this job is every day is different, it really is. It's taking care of a part of the customer's livelihood. Their cars are their well-being, and being able to keep them on the road and productive in their own way is very rewarding for me.
I put myself in that situation. How would I feel if my family was stuck or stranded somewhere and nobody was able to help them? That's how I take care of a situation. It's like, okay, I want to make sure they're taken care of. The thing that brought me here the most was probably the culture. Some businesses don't have the background culture that Bridgestone Firestone brings. And then coming in and being like a family is actually what really attracted me to being here.
My lineage, there's been a lot of mechanics in my family line. I see why it's been in the blood for as long as it has been.
My dad worked on cars, my uncles were mechanics. So it kind of ran into the family of wanting to work on cars. 25 years ago, I started as a general service technician, worked my way up to a technician, and then decided one day, hey, I want to be a manager.
I knew I wanted to be a manager here, but I had to start from the ground up. So I started off at the front desk, learning how to make proper recommendations for customers, learning our policies and procedures.
Even if there is no experience coming into it, what I've learned about Firestone Bridgestone is they love to train, they love to take a technician from the ground up with all the support you need.
Firestone School, we have a lot of on-hand training, we have a lot of classes you can go through, we have virtual training you can do, in-person training you can do. We help with ASE certifications, which is going to advance you anywhere from brakes to steering and suspension to engine work, electrical. I mean, we will help you to advance your career.
Whether it just be from personal one-on-one experiences to the classroom. Firestone absolutely endorses such things and encourages it.
By taking those classes, I was just furthering my understanding of automotive and then taking myself up to a higher level. Till now, I'm a master lead tech.